This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, January 24th. Starting out with the stock index futures, we are seeing prices just a little bit better. Most of the economic reports that we had today were, for the most part, offsetting. We continue to believe that the main trend is higher for the stock index futures. Also, we do believe that we will see some new historical highs across the board, with the NASDAQ likely to be the first of the indices to reach a new record. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index not holding up so well over the last couple of weeks, and it now looks like the bullish influence of the Fed likely to raise rates this year being offset by what appears to be an incoming administration that is not that interested in a strong dollar policy. In fact, we had comments last week from Donald Trump indicating that, in his opinion, the dollar was too strong. So we are now just neutral on the dollar index after being very bullish for much of last year. Now moving over to the interest rate futures markets, lower prices there. Higher stock indices, a bit of a negative. Higher crude oil prices, a bit of a bearish factor. We do believe that the Fed will be raising rates only 1 to 2 times this year, but that should be sufficient to continue to pressure the interest rate futures markets, especially the bonds. And in the precious metals, gold and silver, performing very well. And in fact, if we are right that the dollar index will not continue to advance this year, and if the dollar only holds steady, that removes one big negative for the bulls in the precious metals. Plus, we do believe inflation is going to be very much a factor supporting gold and silver. So continue to trade the precious metals from the long side. This is a trend that is likely to be long-lasting to the upside. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.